Canva Multilingual App for Voiceover. Knowing a multilingual app for voiceover in Canva allows you to create content that caters to diverse audiences, expanding your reach and making your designs more accessible globally. Now here is how we are going to get this done. So first things first, you can go ahead and open any project that you have. Say for example, I'm gonna try to work on this one right here. Now you're going to go ahead and look for the apps down here. After doing so, you're going to go ahead and basically look for the Canva app called Murph. Alright, just go ahead and search this one and you should see this one, Murph AI. So just go ahead and open this one and then try to follow the prompts from here in order to install it to your Canva. So I'm just going to connect this one. Alright, there you go. I guess we are done. Now let's go ahead and try to close this one, and then we're going to go ahead and click our workspace. Now after doing so, you can just go ahead and click this one and you shall see all the languages available here that you can generate right now. So for example, we're going to begin with English and then go ahead and select any voice in here. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and enter a text here. Alright, just like this one, for example. Now you can go ahead and choose what kind of style would you want to have here. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with the conversational, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate the voice.
Hey there, please subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.
Alright, there you go. I think that was great. Now you can go ahead and adjust the speed and the pitch, but this time let's go ahead and try to change it in another language. So we're going to go ahead and proceed with, say for example, Japanese. Now this time we're going to have to convert this one or translate this one, so we're gonna be using DeepL in this case. So I'm going to go ahead and try to translate this one in Japanese. Alright, I'm gonna copy this one, paste it here, and then we're going to try to generate.
こんにちは。このビデオが役に立ったと思ったら、チャンネル登録をお願いします。
Alright, there you go. I think that's amazing. Now one thing though is that in order for you to use some of these voices in different languages, you're going to have to upgrade to the Pro version. So go ahead and try to do so if you really want to use this one for your video. Now congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to do it. Now you know how to get this done. Upgrading to Canva Pro has been a game changer for people who are serious about getting top quality designs, even if they are beginner whose knowledge of designing is limited. It offers a suite of advanced design tools and exclusive templates that can elevate the quality of your projects. Should you be interested, click that link on the description box and the comment section below and enjoy amazing perks just for you. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.